Hello, today I got this pot. It's called a Crock-Pot. It's a warmer for food. Basically, to operate at 50 to 60 hertz, but normally it gives you this one 60 watt. There is some that gives you 70, so 60 watts will give you 1 hour to from 30 minute to 1 hour warm up, depend what food do you have, frozen or regular. So this thing is very convenient. You can have it at your office work area, or you can have it with you when you're doing construction, manufacturing. Makes your life easy, and it's very convenient, very nice thing to have. It's $32. I'm not advertising this for, I'm just sharing this information for with you in case if you want to buy one. But all I need from you, please subscribe to my channel and help me out grow this channel. So this is the cord here. I'll show you guys how many pieces comes with this. And you have the lid here. You just go to the lid, you open it because it's open already. So you open it, and then you take the second lid. So the second lid, it's a plastic one here with the gasket too. I'll show you guys. I'm just working with one hand. This is how it looks, and this is the pot here. See, you carry it. This is the pot. It's very nice. It's very small one. Is 20-ounce carries, and it's very good. And you have here. So most of people, what they use for your own safety, do not carry this one from inside. Leave it here until you finish your food, until it cools down. Then you can do it, or you close it, put it in your lunch bag, and wash it at your house. The item comes with it. It's the pot and the inside the pot, like for food. And you got like here the cap, you got the other second cap, so that's all you have with it. Please, if you like this channel, subscribe and help me grow up my channel. Thank you, and I appreciate your help, guys. It's very nice. Thanks. Thank you.